Heard Sean having a party, dude.
Yeah, he having a pool party.
A pool party? That man know I can't swim. Many times I've been to Jamaica. What is he doing?
Shit, there you go right there.
It's 14th, baby. Pull up. East Orange, New Jersey. Man, we outside. We got the bottles. We got the hookah. Man, stop playing with us. We outside. You see this pool? We outside.
Hey, bro, how you throwing a party? You ain't even hit my phone. Like, what's up? Tsunami and Visions could collab? Like,
Bro, you told me you couldn't swim.
what? I can't.
You can't swim.
I can't swim.
Nigga, I can't swim either. I can't get up.
Man, stand up.
Oh, man, come out August 14th, man. We outside.
Hear me no quick cook. Tell me how the thing look. DJ, him say party up like bull cup. Party up like bull cup. One mount a share.